Hi, I'm Stephen Wally, and I am the CEO of Wally's Worldwide Cleaners. I am here today to recommend that Lynx Corporation should make Wally's Worldwide Cleaners a subsidiary to help expand its operations internationally to benefit from the rapid growth of the global economy as a whole, specifically the United Arab Emiratis. Like I said, I'm the CEO of Wally's Worldwide Cleaners, and what we do is we specialize in providing commercial cleaning and window cleaning to the magnificent sky rises of the United Arab Emiratis, which has a strong reputation of their beautiful skyline. So a little bit about their location. So in the United Arab Emiratis, they currently have 26 buildings over 900 feet tall and 13 more in construction, which makes them the second tallest country in terms of buildings over 900 feet in the world, which is phenomenal. And this is due to their economy, which has a growth rate of 3.9%, and their inflation rate is 1.9%, which is half of their growth rate. And the fact that their growth rate is double inflation really goes to show as to why there's such a rapid growth of buildings and businesses in the United Arab Emiratis. Getting into their culture, the United Arab Emiratis is very religious, and the main religion over there is Muslim. And secondly, a big aspect of their culture, which is due to their religion, is their conservatism. So both the men and the women are not supposed to, and it is disrespectful to go out in the public and show skin. And so they're a very conservative religious culture over there. So getting into their market and the industry overview. So Wally's Worldwide Cleaners has two main competitors, which are Orchard Rose and the Clean Team. Orchard Rose specializes in cleaning, babysitting, they do it all. The Clean Team specializes in the surface cleaning of all buildings, which is basically what we do, except we do interior cleaning as well. Our target market is real estate developers, which those are the guys who own these magnificent sky rises. And so it is important that we connect with them and network with those guys. So two of our competitive advantages, which are big, are our contracted services, which our competitors charge on an hourly rate while we charge by the job. The other one is the specialization in cladding cleaning. Cladding are the windows on the buildings, and they are prone to catch fire, and a way to combat that is to constantly clean them, which is why we chose to specialize in that. So, in conclusion, after an in-depth analysis, we would recommend that Lynx Corporation should make Wally's Worldwide Cleaners a subsidiary of their business so that they can really expand their operations internationally in the United Arab Emiratis. So the big con to this, like any business, is the risk of failure. The pro to this is the benefit from global expansion and what it can do to Lynx Corporation as a whole. And so I just wanted to say thank you for this opportunity, and I hope we can move forward with this deal. If so, please feel free to contact me anytime. My phone number and my email are below. Thank you.